This is another tutorial brought to you by wholesalevinylfencing.net. In this tutorial we're going to assemble a 15-foot double gate. Notice the size of the wheel that's going into the gate. That's a 1 3/8 galvanized pipe. Really heavy duty. These are large gates. They have a lot of weight to them because they do have fully welded internal galvanized steel frames, so that wheel is absolutely necessary. 15 foot is a long span. Notice our hinges, they are powder coated steel and they are adjustable. So if you take it out, the latch side will raise. If you take it in, the latch side will lower. Same with the top. This is how you make your adjustments. Very simple. Right now we're making the proper adjustments, and then we're going to set the wheel in place once everything is level. And the gaps for our hinge and our latches are the same. You should have about a 1-inch gap for your hinge and latch side of the post. Once your gate is set into place, you'll want to screw the wheel in. That's going to support the weight of the gate. And then you'll move on, and then you'll set your striker. After the striker's set, you can set your latch and then drill the hole for your drop rod. And if you notice our drop rod, it's really heavy duty. It's a 1 3/8 galvanized pipe. It acts as a support post for high winds. If you don't use something like this, the wind will beat your gates to death. Look how beautiful that turned out. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For other tutorials, you can visit wholesalevinylfencing.net.